Hey guys, this is my first video in a while. I haven't posted in a while. As you can see, surroundings are a little changed. Um, this video we're gonna be taking this slow Dell Latitude 3340, which is 2012. It's really slow. Like it takes forever to load into anything. What we're going to do is we're going to install Chrome OS Flex, which is the operating system that most Chromebooks use, or all Chromebooks use, and install it on this computer, as it doesn't require as much, I don't know, CPU usage, I'd say. So let's boot this thing down for the last time and then pop the USB in and get installing. Alright, we have it booted down and the USB in, so let's power this thing up. And F12 for the boot menu. And it looks like our USB has shown up. And it's giving me an error. Alright, here we go. I just waited a little bit and it started up Chrome OS Flex. And as you can see, it's doing pretty well. Yeah, you can see it's doing alright. A little bit slow. I'm sure it's not that bad. Okay, just go through the menu. This wants me to install it on the hard drive, which I'm going to say install. And this thing should operate like an average Chromebook now. It's designed for Windows 7. It's got a Core i5 in it. I'm not sure what generation, but it's pretty old. And yeah, this is just like an average school computer. They were actually going to shred these. I got my hands on one of them. So I'll just let this install. Alright, it says the installation is complete and that the device will restart, remove the USB, and you can start using Chrome OS. So let's see what it'll do. Give it its time, as there's no restart button like Windows would usually have. And let's just see what it'll do. Personally, I'm not a big fan of Chrome OS. I just wanted to see if there was a Linux-based operating system that would run on this computer that was a little bit faster. Because Windows obviously is way too slow on this thing. Alright, we are booting up. And it's in the Phoenix BIOS instead of Linux. So let's see. And it seems to be booting. Alright, it seems to be loading the setup menu. Here we are at the setup menu. So let's start this thing up. So it wants me to input my Wi-Fi now. Alright, now that we have this connected to the Wi-Fi, I'm going to select for personal use. And now it's updating. 59 minutes left, and I don't think so. It seems to be going pretty fast. Yep. Pretty fast indeed. Okay. Now it's gonna want me to sign in. So I'll sign in. Alright, now it's loading. Terms and conditions. No one ever reads those, so just accept and continue. And I'll skip all that, except for maybe changing the theme. I'll change the theme to the dark theme. And are all ready to go. So here we are with Chrome OS on a Chromebook. or not Chromebook, Dell Latitude 3340, which is not a Chromebook. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to continue to start posting videos again. Yeah, thanks for watching.